Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the smooth spin rem transition effects for car reels video editing in Capcut. So in here, you just need to add your car footage to Capcut like this. And after that, here, click on the second video and go to freeze, and then here add the freeze frame as overlay. So click on the overlay button on the freeze frame and put it at the end of the previous video, only for 0.6 seconds like this. Then remove the background. So I'm going to click on remove BG and use the custom removal. Okay, now Capcut will applying the custom removal. Click on a check icon, and after that, here, after it has been removed, you can go to animation, still on the overlay, and add the flash in animations. Here you can adjust it how you like it. Click on a check icon and add the same animation for the next video. So the one that I do the freeze frame before, click on flash in like this, and just repeat the same steps for all of the clips. So go to freeze, trim it to 0.6 seconds and set it as overlay, and add animations. Okay, so now after you add all the animation for all of the clips, what you need to do is add a keyframe at the start of your overlay and put the freeze frame out of the frame like this, and then go to the end of the overlay and put it back to its original position. So repeat the same steps again for all of the overlay. Okay, so now I've already added 2 keyframes on each overlay and move it like this. And now this is the final result for the smooth speed ramp transition for car videos. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.